Unlocking seamless service. How housekeeping and front office collaborate for hotel success. The relationship between housekeeping and front office is like two sides of a coin that cannot stand alone. Therefore, this relationship becomes a division called room division. The working relationship includes housekeeping prepares clean rooms while front office sells them. Front office serves as the central information point for guests while housekeeping executes tasks in the field, and so on. Therefore, good communication between housekeeping and front office will add value to guest satisfaction.
Front office.
1. Sending A rooms or a list of rooms that have been booked for today. 2. Sending forecast occupancy data, which is a list of rooms that have been reserved or the number of rooms booked by guests.
Before continue, please help to like, share, and subscribe the Housekeeping Monitor channel.
Sending rooms blocked for VIPs. 4. Checking the VIPs room together with executive housekeeper. 5. Informing about any room changes. 6. Requesting extra bed or baby box installations. 7. Providing the expected departure list for today. 8. Reporting guest complaints about room conditions. 9. Assisting housekeeping in billing for damaged and missing items from rooms. 10. Assisting housekeeping for witness and open the safety deposit box if there is any safety deposit box open during occupied room or checked out room.
Housekeeping.
1. App preparing and cleaning checked out rooms promptly to be resold. 2. Generating room discrepancy reports, preparing AR and VIP rooms. 3. Preparing AR and VIP rooms. 4. Creating housekeeping reports. 5. Installing extra beds or baby boxes and informing front office about them. 6. Releasing cleaned rooms promptly for resale. 7. Informing about rooms that are out of order due to damage or because of housekeeping's general cleaning program. 8. Reporting guest belongings found in rooms and recording them in the lost and found logbook. 9. Reporting hotel items missing from rooms to be charged to the respective guests.
10. Reporting to front office if there is any safety deposit box that opened during makeup room or during check the departure room.
Thank you for watching Housekeeping Monitor channel. Please help to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Housekeeping Monitor.